We're going to open up our heart by doing some shoulder shimmies. Ready? Deep breath in up. And breathe out. You ready? Relax the elbows. So the elbows is kind of pointing down. I want to focus on the right side. So bring your hand to your left. I'm going to just bring it forward and back. Front, back, front, back. So a little twist first. Just the right shoulder. Kind of a little teaser. Forward, back. You'll notice the opposite is kind of going the opposite side. So when your shoulder goes forward, it kind of twists back naturally. So you don't have to worry about this one yet. Okay, so let's go forward and back a little bit faster. You ready? Front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back. And switch, slow. Twist forward and back, left side. Front, back, front, back. And a bit faster. Front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back. Twist and twist. All right, we're gonna bring our shoulders to the front. Reach, 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 reach. It's right, left, bring it up. Reach. So what I want you to do is feel the muscles around the shoulder blades, feeling that stretch, and it's working around the muscles around the shoulder blade. Now hold it here. Now we're gonna do the twist, 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 right, left. So now bring it forward. Again, just keep that twist. Right, left, reach, reach. Bring it up. We're gonna get ready for the shoulder shimmies. Right, left, and a bit faster. Right, left, right, left, right, left, and shimmy. Good. Add some attitude with this. I want you to step to the right. Give your heart to the heavens. And now let's switch to the left. Now at any time you find that, okay, I don't want to move anymore, just reach, stretch, stretch, reach. You notice that your ribcage is twisting. Let's add some levels. We're gonna just kind of bend the knees as you shimmy down and up, slow down, and fast going up. Slow down, up. Let's go right. Little lunge and shimmy up. Again, down, slow, and up. Switch the other side. Slow it down. And shimmy up. Shimmy. To the center. Hold that music. Almost done, you're doing good. Forward and drop and drop and drop and drop. Let it go. Ah, it feels good. So I know a lot of times when we do the shoulder shimmies, the woman that I teach, that has a kind of a big block there. So practice this little 5-minute shimmy, and it's really going to open up your heart. You're going to be a little bit more expressive, like I am. Okay, deep breath in up. And out. Enjoy your day.